We're gonna sing From This Moment of Shania Twain. Laba ka mga kamay. Welcome Maraneta! O, game na. O, ay na. Ba yan? Ito na malamang gagawin mo. Ay, lagi yun sa ginawa ng business. Hindi na naayos yung buhok mo. Umpisa na yun.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one right beside you. Swear I belong. From this moment on, from this moment, I had been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment on.
Ito na naman itong buhok na to. Grabe mo nang gagawin na naman yan. Ayun, guys pala namin. Hi, say hi. Bye.
You're the reason I believe in love, and you're the answer to my prayers from above. All we need is just the two of us. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise there is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment, I will love you as long as I live. From this moment on.
O yun, sabatian ulit. Kasi pang 10 record na namin to. Pang 10 beses ko rin sasabihin yung mga sinasabi ko.
Hindi nga kayo iniwan ng fans niya.
Oo nga eh. Anyway, this song is dedicated to my one and only. Laan nyo.
Katie.
Yeah, KD. KD.
As in Katie, you know?
Oh. Bahala na kayo kung sinong gusto nyo isipin yun. Ayun, ikaw? Kanino mo naman dinededicate tong
I
artist?
dedicate to my family. My family. My family.
Ulit-ulit, te. Anyway, here is our guest, D. Lady. D. Ikaw lang ka babatiin?
Fanso.
Eh, naka-charge kasi hindi ko tuloy mapakita sa inyo yung mga fans namin.
Guys, etong side lang.
O, sige, yung side na to pakita ko sa inyo Ayan.
Thank you.
Ayan. Marami pa yun sa kabilang side eh. Eh, hindi ko na nga mapakita kasi yung ordo ng aming charger eh. Maiksi lamang.
Yung mga sikat na tao na sa amin.
Taylor Swift. Si Whitney Houston.
Ay, nandito rin para si Marian. Noche. Oh, hindi nyo kilala yun. Kaklase namin yun. Yun lang. Sige no. Oh, hanggang 6 minutes. Dali, bati na. Ay, doggy, dali. Dali. Dali, dyan.
Ay, papatigtigan ka.
Dali, wait lang. Paano to i-post? Gago, hindi na po-post. Dali, ano mo? Ba yan?
Saban?
Oy, pakailam nyo ba? Kahit kailan ba pwede sumayaw? Sagwa! Sige na, sa mga kaibigan ko, hi, sa mga nagpapanggap na kaibigan ko, mamamatay din kayo. Sa mga may aya naman sa akin, ano naman, gusto ko ba kayo? Hindi ko na may pipilit sa sarili ko sa inyo eh. Wala naman akong ginawa sa inyo masama kung ganyanin nyo ako, kala nyo. Oo, may pinanguhugutan. May pinanguhugutan ako kaya, babay na bilala mo wala.
Uy, medyo mas